Hello friends, my name is Stephen Thomas. Today we are going to discuss a topic, what is computer vision and its areas of application. First we will see what is the definition for a computer vision. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that trains computer to interpret and understand the visual world. Using digital images from cameras and videos and deep learning models, machines can accurately identify and classify objects. The computer vision technology is more similar to our human vision. In our human vision, our brain will predict the objects and models. Computer vision is one of the most remarkable things to come out of deep learning and artificial intelligence world. Then we can discuss the computer vision hierarchy. The computer vision technology is divided into basically three categories. First one is the low level vision, second one is the intermediate level vision, and the last one is high level vision. In low level vision includes process images for future extraction. In intermediate level vision, it includes object recognition and 3D sense interpretation. And the last one is the high level vision. It includes the conceptual description of a scene like activity, intention and a behavior. So here we discuss the application areas of computer vision. Computer vision is a concept with image processing. We already know what is definition for computer vision technology. However, computer vision is more in high level processing. It mainly deals with analysis of an image. In computer vision process, the input is an image and while the output is the interpretation of an image. Computer vision works in identify different components in the image. Because in computer vision technology, this system will identify an image by identify or analyzing the different components of that image. So there are many applications are included in computer vision. We can see the applications one by one. There are lots of different areas or applications of computer vision we can find out. So some of the applications are listed here. Computer vision applications on financial sector, computer vision in self-driving cars, computer vision to the medical field, computer vision in retail industry, computer vision in industrial applications, and in optimization of agriculture with computer vision. And also computer vision is helping business to optimize marketing. And the last one is computer vision automating inventory management. So these applications we can deeply discuss in here. So the first application is computer vision applications on the financial sector. Computer vision is already impacting on the banking and financial industry. So this application explained by using an example. Mitech Systems is a company who developed a computer vision recognition application. This application is very helpful for their customers because the customers of that bank take photographs of the documents and give to the bank. Then this image recognition application will be verify the authenticity of the documents sent by the customer. So here we can see a user interface of that application, and also in computer vision system to automate authentication helps to speed, identify and check. So we can easily and speedily check the document. By automating identification, human error is removed from this process. We can reduce the human errors by using these applications on that time. While in convenience of simplicity, scanning your ID means that transactions and checks can be carried out quickly and securely. This also includes many security features and very helpful for a human. This is the example for computer vision application in financial sector. So the next one is computer vision in self-driving cars. We all know what is self-driving cars and what is autonomous cars and how it will useful for humans. In computer vision, it is helping vehicle manufacturers to combat this serious issue. To this end, they are equipping cars with cameras and computer vision systems, providing a 360-degree view around a car. This is through that 20% of road accidents are caused by thieves. This application of computer vision sees it working along deep learning neural networks, enabling the car to safely navigate busy streets. So here also I include a picture for self-driving car. So we can see what is a self-driving cars and how it will monitoring and how it traveling through road. So this system helps a vehicle to identify pedestrians from around 300 yards. By spotting potential hazards early, evasive action can be taken. Fatigue drivers may be slower to identify and react to potential hazards. So this application is also very helpful for humans to use a self-driving car on road, and more accidents will be reduced by using this application or this autonomous system. So the third one is computer vision to diagnose disease. In medical field also the computer vision will be used. Computer vision is being used in helping diagnose a health condition. This is enabling life-saving interventions to be made. When used alongside sensors, smart healthcare become a reality. For example, Go Surgical has been developed a solution that monitoring blood loss in real time through the use of sophisticated cloud-based computer vision algorithms. Their solutions are able to maximize blood transfusion. This also recognizes hemophagging better than a trained human. This application is already being used in surgical operations such as cesarean deliveries. So this application also very helpful for humans. So the next one is computer vision in retail industry. As we all know, Amazon company. The Amazon is leading a way in developing technology for retail. Recently, they launched the Amazon Go. Here, the deep learning, computer vision, and other sophisticated tools allow customers to pay for goods without need for a checkout. Instead, computer vision powered facial recognition cameras monitor when items are taken from shelves and placed in carts. By tracking a customer as they walk around the store, computer vision systems record every item in a customer's select. Then, when they have collected their shop, the customer simply leaves the store. The payment will be automatically done by using the Amazon Go and the linked account with that application. This is also very helpful application for the human as in this front. The next one is industry application of computer vision. Computer vision software is providing useful in helping to monitor and functionality of industrial sites such as wells or factories. For example, Osprey Informatics use computer vision to monitor remote wells, industrial facilities and site security. Their systems are capable of providing regular 50 minutes image from the site. They also provide real-time or live video monitoring. This application helps to cut employees' costs and save time to optimizing supervision processes. This also helps to reduce site visits by 50% as well as the cost, helping the client to save money in a time of depressed commodity prices. The next one is optimizing agriculture with computer vision. In this era, the artificial intelligence is deeply focusing on agriculture. Increasingly, farmers are looking to artificial intelligence and sophisticated technologies to optimize their operations. Technology is already helping farmers identify the most efficient growing methods, increase yield and reduce waste. Computer vision is one of the such tools that are already making an impact. For example, SlantRange is just one of the company using computer vision to increase productivity. SlantRange is monitoring computer vision enabled cameras into drones and they are used to scan the crops. Then the gathered information is fed into the SlantView analytical system. Then the farmers can easily identify the problems or diseases happening in the crops and give a solution for reduce the problems in the crops. This is also very helpful in agriculture. So one of the another example is that in the current situation, the pesticides are applied in all the crops. Then a lot of pesticides are needed to apply in agriculture because some of the crops have problems such as weed attacking, diseases, etc. Instead of that, we need to apply the whole pesticides to all the crops in our agriculture. So by using the computer vision technology, we can easily identify the crops having diseases. Then only we need to apply the pesticides on that particular crop. This will also reduce the usage of pesticides and make more profit in agriculture. So the computer vision is used in helping business to optimize marketing. In marketing field also computer vision technology grown very deeply. Computer vision may still be evolving. This hasn't stopped it from already revolutionizing marketing with artificial intelligence. The first one is branded object recognition. Here they can identify threats to their market domain such as an emerging and a popular product. This is known as social listening and it can also be used to help a brand to grow its own influence or maintain a good reputation. So the next one is visual product searching. Here also a example I provided, you can check. Then when shopping online, most people use the search bar or the filter feature to sift through available products. For this to function efficiently, a retailer must assign each product to range of tags. This also be helpful for in marketing and optimizing the businesses. The last application for computer vision is inventory management. Computer vision is increasingly being used in store inventory tracking. For example, Walmart is expanding the use of Bossa Nova robotic self-scanning robots to their 350 of their stores. Thus, robots are able to identify products with missing labels as well as the items that are out of stock or incorrectly priced. So, the storekeepers can easily identify the problems happening in products such as mislabeling, out of stock or incorrectly priced. These robots are able to identify products with missing labels as well as the items that are out of stock or incorrectly priced. Computer vision enables this process to take place while also helping the robots to safely navigate the stores without bumping into customers. So this application is more similar to the Amazon Go. So this is also a booming example in computer vision and artificial intelligence. Once again, we can fresh up what we studied here. First we discuss what is computer vision and the definition for computer vision. Then we move to the hierarchical level of computer vision. After that, we see lots of applications of computer vision and discuss one by one. So this video is all about the application areas of computer vision. I hope all you enjoy the video. Thank you.